Hi, and welcome to 2320 North Taylor in Springfield, Missouri. Have you ever wanted to live in a brand new home? Here is your chance to be the very first person to live in this really cute two-bedroom home. We're located near restaurants and shopping. Come on in and let's take a look. As you can see, it's got the vinyl plank flooring throughout. It's got a really nice size living room here, and it has stainless steel refrigerator and stove. And here is your washer dryer hookup. It's got a really nice open concept layout. We do have two bedrooms. We're going to let you take a look at the front one here. It is a good sized bedroom. And we'll go on out and take a look at the bath. It does have the tub shower combination here. And we'll go on out and take a look at the second bedroom. There you can see again the living area, as well as a nice big area here. And then we'll go ahead and go on outside. We have a patio here, as well as a parking pad. Has a nice large backyard. And there you have 2320 North Taylor in Springfield, Missouri. We look forward to seeing you.